ton of foundation students here may obviously get this question wrong, unfortunately, but my job is to correct that, okay, obviously fix any misconceptions. So that's to work out minus 2 plus minus 5. So minus 2 add negative 5. Okay. Now if you add a negative, that's same as a subtraction, so it becomes minus 2 minus 5. So minus 2 take away 5, and this is where the mistake is going to come in. Okay, they'll think it's 7 because you've got two minuses. That's not correct. The answer is actually minus 7. So we start at minus 2 on our number line, and we go 5 jumps to the left. So minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and minus 7. So the answer we get, guys, is minus 7, not 7. Okay, not minus 3. Not 3, the answer is minus 7. Okay, if you add a negative, it's same as taking away. Okay, so minus 2 plus minus 5 is the same as doing minus 2 subtract 5, which is minus 7. Okay, so we start at minus 2 and we take away 5, we end up at minus 7 or negative 7. Okay, so watch out for that in your examples here. Very, very common mistake that students make. Okay.